Did you know that intermittent fasting isn't just about weight loss? It's a powerful tool that can transform your health in surprising ways. First up, weight loss. Intermittent fasting helps you shed pounds and visceral fat, the dangerous fat around your organs. It also reduces insulin resistance, helping your body manage blood sugar more effectively. Your heart benefits too. Fasting can improve blood pressure, lower resting heart rate, and balance cholesterol levels. It also reduces blood sugar and triglycerides, keeping your heart strong and healthy. Fighting inflammation? Intermittent fasting can help. It reduces inflammation linked to diseases like arthritis, asthma, and even multiple sclerosis. Boost your brain power. Fasting may enhance working memory, improve verbal memory, and clear away brain fog, helping you stay sharp and focused. Struggling with sleep? Intermittent fasting can regulate your circadian rhythm, helping you fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed. Your immune system gets a boost too. Fasting supports immune cell regeneration and production, keeping you strong and resilient. And there's more. Fasting promotes tissue health, cellular repair, and even positive changes in gene expression. Ready to unlock these benefits? Intermittent fasting might just be the key to a healthier, happier you.